Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the Kaveri river and its tributaries. Because the river Kaveri is often in news due to the water dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So it is very important to know about the river Kaveri and its left and right bank tributaries. In brief, the river Kaveri is an Indian river flowing through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. If you consider the basin, it covers Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry regions. The total length of the river is 805 kilometers. Okay, these are the left bank tributaries and these are the right bank tributaries. The Kaveri originates at Talakaveri in Brahmagiri Hills, which is part of Western Ghats in Kodagu district of Karnataka. Before Talakaveri, there are two rivers, that is namely Egachi and Hemavati. The confluence of these two rivers joins the river Kaveri. And after Talakaveri, there is a left bank tributary called Harangi River, which joins the river Kaveri, and its reservoir called Harangi Reservoir is situated. After some distance, there is a right bank tributary called Lakshmana Tirtha, which is also in Kodagu district, joins the river Kaveri. And after some distance, there is a dam situated called KRS Dam, which is constructed by Vishveshwaraya. It is located in the Manda district. Okay, and after some distance, there is a right bank tributary called Kabini, which is located in Wayanada district of Kerala, joins the river Kaveri. And the right bank tributary called Suvarnavati, which is located in the Mysore, joins the river Kaveri. And the confluence of these rivers fall in the Kaveri Fall. And again, the left bank tributary, which is located in the Tumkur district, joins the river Kaveri. And again, the left bank tributary called Arkhavati, which is originates in the Nandi Hills, joins the river Kaveri. And the river Chovarai, which separates the two states, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, which is also a left bank tributary, joins the river Kaveri. After entering into the Tamil Nadu, there is a reservoir situated called Stanley Reservoir, which is constructed across the river Kaveri. And the right bank tributary called Bhavani, which is the largest tributary of the river Kaveri, joins the river Kaveri. And again the right bank tributary Nile joins the river Kaveri. And the left bank tributary called Turani Muttal joins the river Kaveri. And the right bank tributaries, which are Amaravati, which is originates in Annamalai Hills, and its right bank tributary called Nanganiti. The confluence of these two rivers joins the river Kaveri. And the last left bank tributary called Kolidam is joins the river Kaveri. And the Kaveri river fall on the region Fumful region in Tamil Nadu, and it is finally fall on Bay of Bengal. This is the mouth of the river Kaveri. It is also called Garden of South Indian. The river Kaveri is also called Dakshina Ganga. Okay, that's it. Thank you.